Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about switch weighted plugs, the ideal connector for electric power on the move. Safety is a large concern when it comes to working at remote construction site. Finding electrical connection that are safe, easy to operate can be more challenging than inside a faculty or facility, any kind of. This will permanently work site since resources are limited. Melodic switch weighted plugs and receptacles have become the top choice of power connectors for granted safety while providing reliable power. A pavement preservation from need high capacity compact plug and play electrical connector for their infrared aspirators. After inspecting a wide variety of connector devices, the firm's project engineer specified metric switch weighted plugs and receptacles for all of their machines. When considering other plugs, they found that most of them were heavy and bulky. While metric plugs were impact, the switch weighted and dead front design also allowed for user to make safe and bright connection. The firm's construction sites were primarily remote locations, such as safety become the deciding factors in their decision. After considering worst case scenario of someone possibly pulling the plug out of life, and they choose metric plugs to eliminate that concerns altogether. The lead engineer found a way to also use metric devices to make their same sealing machines more user-friendly. While keeping workers safe, he was able to take the power connectors he used on their electric infrared asphalt heaters, which were frequently removed for transport job or site moved to a different set of machines based on a particular sealing job requirement. Thanks for watching. I'll see you the next one.